Hi. Incremental Refresh is a Power BI option that enables retrieving new or changed data into the model that have been previously imported from SQL Server database. Let's see how it's done.
We started Power BI Desktop, connected to SQL Server database, named Sales, and imported connections table. At this moment, we are inside Power Query Editor. First, let us create two datetime parameters and name them range start and range end. These names are mandatory. We should give them some initial values. First day in 2020 and last day in 2021. Further, let's create a custom filter that uses parameters range start and range end to filter all the dates in between. Click on Close and Apply. Now we should make two visuals. First is cluster column visual that displays sales over cities, and second is a card visual with number of transactions. Now we should save the report and publish it to Power BI service. Here's how our report looks in Power BI service. To configure incremental refresh, go to Data View, right-click on the Transactions table and choose Incremental Refresh. Move the slider. The purpose of incremental refresh is to save us time while importing data. If we retrieve data from a source and choose Import Storage mode, by default, Power BI will import complete table into the data model. If we perform this action each and every time, this should slow us down. Incremental refresh helps us to determine which data within the model should be archived and which should be refreshed. So when we refresh data model, it will retrieve only new or changed data. First, let us choose the period of time for which data is archived. It could be, e.g., a period of 2 years. Then let's enter the period for which we should retrieve new data. Enter 12 months. We have several other optional settings. First of them is reserved only for premium users, and it lets you to get the latest data via direct query. The second one, which is called only refresh complete months, it does incremental refresh only for complete months. And the third one detects data changes. Here you can see which data are archived and which data are retrieved by incremental refresh. We should click on Apply. Save the report and publish it to Power BI service. Now let's go to Power BI service. Refresh the data. In order to use incremental refresh, you should have Personal Data Gateway installed and set. It takes some time to refresh the data. As you can see, Power BI added rows for year 2020, hence the report has changed. Goodbye, have a wonderful day.